Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English. In today's video lesson, you are going to study the past continuous tense structure and use. If you have studied the present continuous tense, you will find it easier to study this. Or, if you want to study the present continuous tense, please go to the comment box and click on the link and reach the video and study the present continuous tense. Okay, when you're ready to study the past continuous tense, let's go. Like any video, let's start with example. So study this example carefully. I was doing my homework when you called me yesterday. In the given sentence, we have got two clauses. The main clause, I was doing my homework, and the subordinate clause, when you called me yesterday. So the main clause, I was doing my homework, is in the past continuous tense. So the verb form of the past continuous tense is was doing. I was doing my homework. I was doing. So the structure is, you can use subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object or complement, whatever it is. So the rule is was or were plus ing form of the verb. So how to use was or were? With I and she, he, or with singular countable nouns, you can use was. Or with anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, no one, nobody. With these subjects, you can use was. But with you and with they, we, and plural nouns, you can use were. So that's the main thing you have to remember. With I, with he, she, it, everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, anybody, anyone, and countable singular noun, you can use was. Whereas with plural nouns and you, they, we, you can use were. Hope the rule is clear to you. I was doing my homework when you called me yesterday. So here the used auxiliary verb is was, just because we have used the subject I. So let's study the use of the past continuous tense. It's used for an ongoing action in the past. A continuing action. The time of action may or may not be indicated. It is personal. The speaker can decide whether to use the time of the action or not. Let's carefully study the given three examples. When I saw her, she was reading a novel. In the first sentence, we have got two clauses. The first one, when I saw her, that's the subordinate clause. And the main clause is, she was reading a novel. So the subordinate clause is in the simple past tense, when I saw her. The verb, the main verb or the verb is saw. And in the main clause, she was reading a novel. The verb is was reading. So the subordinate clause is in the past continuous tense. She was reading a novel. We have used the auxiliary verb was just because we have used the subject she. The second sentence, the boys were playing football. That was an ongoing action. And we have used the auxiliary verbs were because the subject is the boys. The third sentence, it was raining when we went out. Again, we have got two clauses. The main clause is, it was raining. The subordinate clause is, when we went out. The subordinate clause is in the simple past. When we went out, V2 form is used, the went. And the main clause, it was raining, we have used the past continuous tense. Was raining. We have used the auxiliary verb was because we have used it, the pronoun it. So remember once again, with I, with he, she, it, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, no one, nobody, and with singular nouns, you can use was. With plural nouns and with you, they, we, you can use were. So let's study how to transform this sentence into negative. He was not playing well in the last match. That is the first sentence. He was not playing well in the last match. That is the negative sentence. The positive sentence of that one is he was playing well in the last match. So how we have transformed that sentence to negative? Let's study. He was not playing. Just after the auxiliary verb was, you can simply add not. Then it becomes the negative sentence. He was not playing well in the last match. The positive is he was playing well in the last match. The second sentence, that's also a negative sentence. They were not chatting yesterday. The positive sentence is they were chatting yesterday. So we have added not after the auxiliary verb were. They were not chatting yesterday. Hope you have understood these examples and the structure of the past continuous tense. Subscribe my channel Easy English and click on the bell icon to receive more useful English videos notifications, and share this video to your friends.